Today's video we shot slow motion and we put on the filters in pure video. We're on like a vacation right now. It gives a nice bright shot. There was like a vintage we did with the leaves on there, or retro, and there are many other types. I hope you enjoyed the video of slow motion. We added music to it from YouTube and figured this would be a way to get something to go out. If you're looking for a camera that tells you what those filters are, that's the Insta360 Pro 2. And on that note, let's get on going with it. I am Fish. It's been a pleasure sharing the fun with you, and I'll see you on the next one.